Today we're looking at how to connect through social media. This is SES Water. We're going to watch their little video and then we're going to talk about it.
Teaching young people about the importance of water is vitally important. We need them to understand where it comes from, how it's treated, how it's made safe to drink, and why it's under pressure. I'm Jo, the Education Coordinator here at SES Water. We've run an education programme here for over 25 years, and it's been my privilege to run it for the last 15. A typical school visit to Flow Zone starts with an introduction in our education centre. We explain all the treatment processes in theory, we explain the course. And then we go out and...
So as you can see from this video here, it's all about passion. It is all about education. What she wants to do is she wants to communicate that they have been working with schools for a really long time, that she's very passionate about what she does, that she really enjoys it. And as you can see in the caption here, it says one of your commitments to our local community is to help to teach the next generation the importance of water, saying they've been doing it for 25 years. They've put Jo in there. But I guess it's a little lesson on water and how they educate local schools. And it is about promoting their product, if you like. But for them, obviously, their product is actually the education service. And it would definitely make me want to, if I was a school, go down there.